Are you wondering how you can set up your TickTalk 4 so it's ready for unboxing? Today we're going to show you step-by-step instructions on how to set up your TickTalk 4 so that it's ready for its opening moment. First, you'll want to make sure that you charge your TickTalk 4 prior to setting up. As it charges, we'll go ahead and get your cellular plan set up. If you are a US customer, you most likely selected a Red Pocket SIM card on either AT&T or T-Mobile's network at checkout. If you scan the QR code in your TickTalk 4 box, it will redirect you to our Setup and Activate page. You can also find this page in the link in the description and on our website in the navigation bar. Select Activate Now to be redirected to Red Pocket's website to select your plan and enter your billing information. Enter in your SIM ICCID number, which can be found on the back of your SIM card, and you'll be prompted to create a Red Pocket account and select your plan. If you are not using Red Pocket, please follow your carrier's instructions on selecting your cellular plan. Please note, your TickTalk will not work with wearable or data-only plans and needs to be on a GSM smartphone plan with talk, text, and data. Now that you've activated your SIM card, we are now going to turn our TickTalk 4 off. Using the included SIM lid opener found in the small accessories box with your TickTalk, open the back SIM lid and insert your activated SIM card, making sure you completely close the back lid when putting it back on. Press and hold the silver button to turn your TickTalk 4 on. Wait a few seconds and swipe up on the screen to go to the status center, which shows your carrier's name, signal bars, and connection symbol. The connection symbol will illuminate white once your TickTalk 4 connects to your network. Be sure to connect your home Wi-Fi for the most stable connection while indoors. Next, you'll need to download the TickTalk Parental Control app on your smartphone, either from the Apple or Google Play Store, so you'll be able to communicate with your TickTalk. Create your app account with either your phone number or email address, or sign into an existing account. Click the person icon on the top left corner and select Add Another TickTalk. We will go ahead and choose TickTalk 4 as our product and follow the instructions to complete the pairing. We will now go into our watch settings, select Pair, and a QR code will populate which you can use to scan in your TickTalk app to complete the pairing process and enter your child's information. Now that you've successfully paired your TickTalk 4, you can use all the features such as smart location tracking, secure messaging, video calling, 20+ parental controls, and more. For more information on setting up contacts for voice calling, enabling your firewall to block calls from unknown numbers, approving other app users for messaging and video calls, be sure to watch our individual setup videos in the link in the description. So that wraps up today's video. If you like this video, hit that like button and be sure to follow us on social media at myticktalk and visit our website www.myticktalk.com. You can also reach out to our dedicated support team Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. PST for any questions. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you all in the next video.